everyone. 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. 今回のレッスンでは、を一緒に勉強していきましょう。In this lesson, you will learn the Japanese particle を。Pronunciation can be を or o. Let's get started. So the particle is used to indicate or mark the direct object of a sentence. So keep in mind that most of verbs need or. It's pronounced as a short sound instead of wo, but the hiragana written is the character wo. Okay? So let's look at some example sentences. お寿司を食べます。So, お寿司 part is the object, so we use the wo. Repeat after me. お寿司を食べます。はい。One more time. お寿司を食べます。はい。So that means I eat sushi. The next example sentence. トイレを借ります。Repeat after me. トイレを借ります。You know what this means? トイレis the object. Bathroom. 借ります is the verb. If you don't know, please remember. 借ります means I use or borrow. In this case, I use the bathroom. So it's important to say the phrase. When you visit someone's house, you want to use the bathroom. So you can say, トイレを借ります。Repeat after me. トイレを借ります。One more time. トイレを借ります。はい。Next sentence. ドアを開けます。ドアを開けます。Repeat after me. ドアを開けます。ドアを開けます。So that means I open the door. So you take the action. So then ドアを開けます is you take the action. Let's try to translate the exercise, translation exercise. So how do you say I drink juice? You can say ジュースを飲みます。Repeat after me. ジュースを飲みます。So the verb 飲みます then object is the juice. So you need a oh. Then when you pronounce, the natural way is particle does not need to emphasize more smaller sound compared to a verb or topic. So like this. ジュースを飲みます。Repeat after me. ジュースを飲みます。You see the difference? Or 飲みます is a formal way, mass form of the verb. So if you want to make it a short verb, if you want to use the dictionary form of verbs, you can use it simply 飲む. Okay, repeat after me. ジュースを飲む。ジュースを飲む。Good. Let's try. Second sentence. Please try translate. 訳してみましょう。I drive a car. So the answer is 車を運転します。Repeat after me. 車を運転します。One more time. 車を運転します。The short version, casual Japanese would be simply 車を運転する。 And then some people even drop the 車を path. Simply 運転する。運転する means a drive, means most of the case it's driver. Okay, one more sentence. I eat ramen. How would you say that? The answer is ラーメンを食べます。Repeat after me. ラーメンを食べます。Or you can say simply ラーメンを食べる。ラーメンを食べる。Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. That support me and thank you for supporting my channel. See you next time.